and I'll be getting 200 views. Like, why? Why? This YouTube thing here, now hustle with the hustle. Might just tell na the truth. With the hustle. So if the hustle is not paying, like it does not look like what are we doing here? Do you guys get what I mean? Hey fam, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it may seem as though this is my first video for the year, and let me just wish you all a happy new year to you guys. And wow, I'm so excited that we all made it into the new year 2023. I'm excited for you and your family, yes. And I pray that this year will be your best year. All your heart desires will definitely be granted by God, and that all your goals which you have, written down for this year will definitely be accomplished in Jesus' name. Amen. So, guys, like I said, this is my first video for the year, and hey, if you're just clicking on this video for the first time, like you've not seen this face before, this is your first time clicking on this video, let me specially welcome you into my channel. My name is Blessing Chiamaka, and I'm the creative director of Maka's Cakes and Pastries, and this is my YouTube cake channel. Okay, so feel free to join this family. Feel free to take your time to go to my channel in case you want to check out some of my recipe videos and the likes of it. Okay, to my OD, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, enough of the plenty talk, let's just start this video. I've been asking myself, guys, what is the plan for this channel? And of course, it's a cake channel. There's no way I would want to bring out any content that is not related to cakes and cake decorating, right? So yes, that is it. And that's why I asked you guys a few weeks ago on my community tab, saying or asking, do you prefer longer videos or shorter videos? And if you guys should notice, I've been doing more of shorts, YouTube shorts, since last year. This is because YouTube itself, they want we content creators to be doing more of YouTube shorts, okay? So, but aside that, I have my own personal reasons why I was doing YouTube short. This is because you guys don't watch videos, and at that point, I felt like YouTube short is kind of much more easier for me because I don't understand whereby someone have to create longer content and then putting up here on YouTube, nobody watches. So it kind of discourages me. And that's why, you guys were seeing more of YouTube shorts. It's not that don't want to create longer videos. Yes, I do. But then also my schedule is somehow, okay. So that's why I asked you guys, you really want longer videos or shorter videos? And from the response I got, you guys were saying longer videos. So obviously you guys want more of tutorial here on the channel. But now, guys, the question is, will you watch the videos? Una go watch video. For those watching from America and Canada, UK, when I say una go watch videos, I'm speaking more like the way we Nigerians do sound, more like a pidgin language. What I mean is, will you guys watch the videos? So that's what I mean by una go watch video. Guys, that's the question because you guys want longer videos, but you don't encourage me. Yes, you don't encourage me to put up longer videos because you don't watch it. Like, I'll struggle all my life, strength, everything to put up content here on my channel, 9 minute video, 8 minutes video, and I'll be getting 200 views. Like, why? Why? Support me. If you want longer videos, guys, you should support me here on this channel so that I can be able to put up longer videos. Because see, guys, the truth is, shorter videos is much more easier for me. Whenever I'm decorating cakes, I create content from there. By the time I edit it to 49 seconds, and before you know it's easier, I put it up there on my YouTube shorts parts of my channel, and then it gives me views. So when I see such things, it encourages me. So I'm not saying it just to I make you guys feel bad or something, but this is just me, begging and pleading with you all that please, by the time I start putting up content here, which is the longer videos, I'm not saying I will not put up content. No, I will definitely put up content because, guys, If you know me well on my social media handles, especially on Instagram, you could tell I love to create good content, more like tutorial content, for beginners. And many people have benefiting from it. So there's no way I'm going to stop putting up longer videos here on my channel. But I just wish you guys would watch, share my videos so that others can benefit. This YouTube thing here, now hustle with the hustle. Might just tell that the truth with the hustle. So if the hustle is not paying, like, it does not look like, what are we doing here? Do you guys get what I mean? I don't know if I'm making sense here, guys. Like, do you understand? So, my dear people of God, that's the thing, no, that's the thing. So now the question is, since you guys want longer videos, what type of content do you want me to create? Do you want me to put out for you guys? Because I feel like most of the time I've exhausted everything that I have here in this my head. Well, I'm wrong. I might be wrong though, because we learn new things every day, right? But then I'm a human being, so I feel like I've exhausted everything I have here in my head. So what type of content do you want to see? Let me know in the comment section, because there are many days that it's not really good for content creator. But like, what I mean is, there's some days that you don't even have idea of what to post. You just want to, like, hey, what do I post? Like now, can you imagine the time I'm coming out to share my first video for the year? This is because after I'm like saying, hey, what will I even say? Before you know it, I'm busy. Before you know, my schedule is tight. And oh my God, guys, it can be so it can be so overwhelming at times. But then, what do people want? What kind of content do you want here on my channel? Because, guys, this is new year, and I feel like I shouldn't take this. I feel like I'm not taking this my channel seriously. At times, I feel like I'm taking this seriously. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you ask me, I think I would prefer doing shorter videos here, because it's much more easier. But then, I want to create videos for you guys, because you said you wanted longer videos, right? So tell me what you want. What type of content do you want? Something like, please, man. Some people will say, man, share this one, share this one. The thing is, you guys, see. So my content people have been requesting on this channel, I've been paid courses. There was a time somebody was saying that I should share a recipe on ice cream. I'm like, I would like come and share something that is paid, a paid online course, a course that people are paying money for, and I want to come and share it here on YouTube. Will it work now? It's not going to work. How will I enjoy? Like, how will I enjoy my sweats? Come on, guys. So, please, if you want me to share something here on my channel, please, at least let it be something that I can be able to share. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. Although I've written some content down on my journal, like what I'll be sharing with you guys. I just hope that I just hope that I will have enough time to create this content. But then I want to really hear from you guys. What type of content do you want me to share here on the streets of YouTube? And please, before you start typing on the comment section, please let it be the type of content that I'll be able to share. Do you understand? Don't go and put in a content that's more like my paid online course. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. So guys, that's it. I'm looking forward to your comments, to your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, and please let me beg all of you last time, one more time, please, please. If you want me to kneel down, I will kneel down. No, I am going to kneel down. Do you understand? Please, looking at the watch video, watch ads, watch videos. At least if I should put out a content maybe today and I'm seeing like 1,000 views within 24 hours, 2K views within 24 hours, it's gonna make sense now. It will encourage me. All those your cake groups that you belong to, those your many cake groups, try as at least from your own end to share the videos. At least share my video. It will not do you anything. Then put come and subscribe to my channel. I no fine reach. I no fine reach. Wetin you think now? Oh my God, guys, I'm just playing. See, I don't want this video to be long. I just want it to be very, very short. So, guys, joke apart, please share my videos, like my videos, subscribe to my channel. You guys have been checking on my YouTube account. I see that some of you watch my video but you don't subscribe. Why? Support the ministry. Support our ministry. Support we content creator. Do you get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Oh my God, guys, I'm just playing here. Just let me just be serious, guys. So, guys, then let me quickly end this video, okay? a quick recap of what this video is all about. Number one, tell me what you want to learn from me in the comment section. Number two, watch videos. If you want longer videos, don't no problem. I'm going to do that for you guys. And number three, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And once again, happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year to all of you. And I pray that this year will be your greatest year so far. Yes. This is my prayer for you guys. I love you guys so much. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. And I cannot wait to see your comments and read your comment in the comment and read your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and bye.